Hello, welcome back to Age and Flourish. Today we are doing a cabbage fufu, and I'm using cabbage, half of one big cabbage, and I'm using oatmeal, grounded Quaker oats, and also I use flaxseed for the fufu. So the cabbage, I'll blend it, add a little water to it and blend it. Then I will now put it inside the pot to boil before I now add the oatmeal and the flaxseed. Why cabbage? Why do you have to use cabbage? Cabbage is very rich in nutrients and very low in calories. It is packed with vitamin C, vitamin K, vitamin B6 and folate, plus minerals like calcium, potassium and magnesium. It is very low in calories, so it is weight friendly, and it supports our digestive health because of its high fiber content. And so when you use cabbage, it also has antioxidant and anti-inflammatory properties. It's also good for the heart health. The potassium in cabbage helps to regulate blood pressure, and the fiber also helps to lower cholesterol. It is also an excellent source of vitamin K, which will support bone strength and blood clotting. It also has some of the properties that can prevent cancer. You know that cabbage is a cruciferous vegetable, so it helps to prevent cancer. So when you now put the cabbage, the blended one, in the pot and allow it to boil for a while, then I now add my oatmeal, that is grounded oatmeal, which is also good. It's oat is rich in soluble fiber, and so it is healthy to use. It's a kind of grain that you can use to make your fufu. And also we add to it flaxseed. Flaxseed has a lot of benefits, so I want to let you know some of the benefits of flaxseed. It is rich in omega-3. When you add flaxseed to your food, it will buff it up because it will make it to have extra fiber in it. Flaxseed, like I said, is rich in omega-3 fatty acid. It supports heart health. It helps to lower cholesterol, and that is the bad cholesterol. It also reduces blood pressure and prevent the risk of cardiovascular diseases. Both the soluble and insoluble fiber improve digestion, prevent constipation, and feed the good gut bacteria in our stomach. Also, flaxseed helps to regulate blood sugar and helps us in our weight management because it will make you to feel fuller. That is, having a lot of nutrients in it, but the calories are low. And it's also a source of plant protein because it contains the complete source of amino acid in it. So flaxseed is also very rich in lignin that can reduce cancer risk. When you use all these things to make your swallow, you are eating life inside your body, not just eating straight carbohydrates. It will help you to slow down the blood sugar spike because of its slow digestion. Slowly your body will absorb the sugar that is in the oatmeal. So when you now mix it, you mix the cabbage with oatmeal and flaxseed, mix it very well, then add a little water to it and allow it to cook so that the flaxseed and the oatmeal will be cooked. Now you now mix them together. It's very good when you use it to make your fufu and your swallow. Whatever soup that you want to use to eat it, you will enjoy it. Also flaxseed is also good in skin and our health because of the omega-3, and the antioxidants in it. It improves our skin health. It makes your skin to be glowing, So try this menu. Try it and you will love it. You will be fuller and it will not be so heavy in your body. Subscribe. Thank you.